Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable app lock on a WhatsApp web account. Now let's begin. Initially, on any browser of your choice, simply type web.whatsapp.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. As you can see, I have successfully logged into my account. Now we simply want to put up an app lock such that my account is more secure. Now let's begin. On the left side of the screen, at the very bottom left, here's your profile, and right above it is a gear-like icon. That is settings. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. Well, there are lots of options, namely account, privacy and such. Do note that you can also log out and delete your account from right here. What we need to do is simply hit on this privacy option right here. Now something like this will open up. From here, you can edit who can see your personal info. You can also disappearing messages. Simply scroll down. And at the very bottom, you will find an option called as App Lock. Just click on it. Now it's gonna ask you if you want to enable App Lock for privacy. Here's the checkbox right here, simply click on it. Now it's gonna prompt you to enter a password. Just enter any password of your choice such that you can remember it. Once you've entered your password, simply hit on this OK button right here. Now you will be given these three options, whether you want to enable App Lock after 1 minute, 15 minutes or 1 hour. The choice is completely up to you. Well guys, that's it. That's how you enable app lock on your WhatsApp web browser. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.